इतना सारा काम है कि एक असिस्टेंट की सख्त ज़रूरत है. समथिंग दैट हैज़ बीन नैगिंग मी फॉर द पास्ट फ्यू मंथ्स इज़ मेरे स्केड्यूल की वाट लग गई है. व्हाट्स अप? सो वोकन अप लेट अगेन टुडे एंड अभी 10 बज रहे हैं. मेरी हाउस हेल्प जो है अभी अभी आई है. आई आस्क्ड हर टू मेक चाय फॉर मी. तो यहाँ से शुरुआत है. आज 10 साढ़े 10 बजे मैं चाय पी रही हूँ. स्पेशली व्हेन टुडे वाज गोइंग टू बी अ हेक्टिक डे, सो आई वाज सपोज टू बी अप अ लिटिल अर्ली, बट स्केड्यूल की बैंड बची हुई है, विच इज़ वॉट I'm going to come to in a bit. But right now I'm going to go have chai and then chat with you all. So on most days I like making my to-do list for the day along with my morning chai. I've said this before. So you know what I do is I'll list down all the important tasks that I want to accomplish that day on one side, and दूसरे side पर I'll also list down the chores or कोई errands if I want to run, or even if I want to meet a friend, you know, any leisurely activities, because that kind of gives me an idea of how my day is going to pan out and मुझे कितनी देर में कितने tasks खत्म करने हैं, मुझे उसकी भी clarity आ जाती है.
And I don't care how it's looking पीछे से, okay? Oh, but I have to show you guys.
So मेरे वीडियो का प्रीमियर चल रहा है इस वक्त यूट्यूब पर, एंड दिस इज़ व्हाट आई गॉट लेट बिकॉज ऑफ कल रात को 1-1:30 बजे तक मैं इसको एडिट करके स्केड्यूल कर रही थी, एंड दैट्स व्हाई आई स्लेप्ट लेट. And but it's on right now, so I'm going to go reply to some comments before I head for a shower. We are so late. Oh my god. Just got done with my shower. It's not even funny. आज की स्पीड में मैंने मेरा ब्रेकफास्ट किया है while you know replying to people's comments on that video. What do you guys think about my skin, by the way? Like, of course it's not the best, it's still not clear and all. You've been seeing my skin for the last what 3 years now on YouTube, and I think I've had phases. Like जब मैंने YouTube शुरू किया था तब my skin was horrible. बीच में सब कुछ गायब हो गया था, ऐसा लग रहा था it's clear now, but then it keeps coming back like never before. So I think that's a cycle. But I feel in the last few days जो मैंने कुछ products use किया ना, they have worked really well for my skin. Remember last year I did a video also by the way about L'Oreal Paris Crystal Micro Essence. I used it for the first time in 2020 जब ये इंडिया में लॉन्च हुआ था, and I fell in love with it. I still love it. I love the fragrance of this one यार. So ये और इसको यूज़ करने के बाद I mentioned about this in like 2 to 3 videos later saying you know what, this works so well. I actually saw my you know spots lightening up. ये जो dark spots हो जाते हैं acne के बाद, I literally saw them getting light. So I mentioned this also quite a few times. And the best thing about this serum is you know इसका एकदम water like consistency. Like इसमें कुछ oily लगता ही नहीं. It feels like I'm putting water on my face and yet it's so hydrating and it's nice. And especially with a skin like mine, combination acne prone, I can't really take the risk of a lot of different products. पर उसमें से भी जब something really works out well for me, I like to come and tell this to you all. But right now I'm so excited because L'Oreal Paris has launched the Revitalift Crystal Gel Cream. So basically a new product in the same range. And have they started drilling while we are doing this? ये ड्रिल वाले का और मेरा टाइम हमेशा कैसे मैच होता है मुझे आज तक नहीं समझा. सो लाइक आई वाज सेइंग, आई एम सो एक्साइटेड अबाउट दिस, एंड मैंने ना ये ऑलरेडी यूज़ करना शुरू कर दिया. लेट मी शो यू द जेल क्रीम. सी it's almost froth like, you know, इतना light है, just like the name says, gel like. And again it's oil free, non comedogenic, you know. Mostly जिन लोगों को pimples या breakouts होते हैं, it's because of using products which kind of like which block your pores basically, and this is what this cream does not do. It has salicylic acid which again helps with your active acne, breakouts, spots and everything. उनको light करने में help करता है, and I feel like this is phenomenal, especially after, if you've used this and if you've liked it, then you'd like to have this kind of a moisturizer which is super duper light. So I've already applied that serum. I'm going to take just this much of this product and put it all over my face. You need very little by the way, yeah, because I love the fragrance, man, so good. This fragrance makes you feel like you've just showered again. It's so beautiful and fresh. You have to use it to know what I'm saying. And also by the way, अभी मुंबई में इतनी ज़्यादा humidity, I can't tell you. I don't know what's up. October, November अभी भी बहुत ज़्यादा humid है यहाँ पर. But ये लगाने के बाद मुझे बिल्कुल भी चिप नहीं लग रहा है. I think you can clearly see my skin has literally absorbed everything. So that's how this product is. It penetrates up to 10 layers of your skin and you know purifies it from inside. And that's why it helps you clear your skin. We'll definitely ask you to give it a shot. And do what I always ask you all to do ना. अगर प्रोडक्ट पहले से ट्राई नहीं किया है, don't invest in the bigger bottles, buy the smaller size. So they have a small size. See, there's a 15 ml for $299 and there's a 50 ml bottle for $699. And obviously इन सब की links जो है नीचे description में रहेगी, so go check it out. And I feel we have a long day ahead, so let's get on with the work now. So about what today is going to be like you guys saw in the to-do list, आज मुझे काफ़ी सारा creative काम करना है, a lot of phone calls, research calls, and then I have to develop few episodes of the thing that I'm working on. Actually मैं wait कर रही हूँ to find out when will I be able to share it with you कि मैं किस पे काम कर रही हूँ, but I can't, but it's content only. Okay, what I can tell you is it's content. It's really fun and young content. You guys are going to really enjoy it. So और ये अभी नहीं आने वाला है, इसको आने में 2 महीने हैं I think. So yeah, I can't wait for you to see/hear it. So ये वो चीज़ थी, ये प्रोजेक्ट जिस पे मैं काम कर रही हूँ, something that I have been wanting like to happen for years and finally it's happened. तो ऑब्वियसली बहुत एक्साइटमेंट भी है और मुझे कंटेंट बनाने में बहुत मज़ा आता है. लाइक इफ देयर इज वन थिंग दैट आई ट्रूली एन्जॉय इज क्रिएटिंग कंटेंट, इज समथिंग दैट आई हैव अंडरस्टूड अबाउट माई सेल्फ. बट दैट बीइंग सेड, यार बहुत काम है. मतलब उस प्रोजेक्ट का काम तो है ही, एंड उसके साथ साथ आई एम ट्राइंग टू बी कंसिस्टेंट विद यूट्यूब. और क्या है ना, एक्चुअली इतना सारा काम है कि एक असिस्टेंट की सख्त ज़रूरत है, बट आई हैवंट येट फाउंड अ गुड असिस्टेंट. तो लिटरली बीन प्रेइंग कि ऐसे आसमान से फ्रॉम द हेवंस अ ग्रेट असिस्टेंट मैजिकली लाइक टपकोज इन माई हाउस, माई लाइफ विल बी सो सॉर्टेड. या बट अंटिल देन हमें ही अपना काम करना है. सो आई थिंक द वर्क बिगिन्स नाउ. I love homemade food. I can't tell you guys. Like I love घर का खाना. And जब से मम्मी रिटायर हुई है, एक फ़ायदा हो रहा है कि मम्मी सब्जियां बनाती है. मुझे मम्मी के हाथ की सब्जियां बहुत पसंद है. This आलू बैंगन. Like I love simple everyday food. I love it a lot. Of course I like going out, but this is something that I can't give up on. Just a second. I need ghee. मेरी और घी की एक कहानी है. मैं सिर्फ नागपुर का ही घी खाती हूँ. Like हमारे घर के पास नागपुर में there was a store जहाँ के घी पे I have grown up all my life. So I don't like any other ghee. So जब तक नागपुर से घी नहीं आता, मैं घी नहीं खाती हूँ. Yes, we have issues. It's 3 o'clock, man. I'm having lunch at 3. क्या हो क्या रहा है हमारे स्केड्यूल को, वो एक कॉन्वर्जेशन तो I have to do with you guys. Like that's been something on my mind. Something that that keeps nagging you from inside. कि क्या हो गया, इतना अच्छा स्केड्यूल था. You're waking up early, you're working out, meditating. I haven't meditated in 1.5 months and I don't like it. But I don't want to talk to you while eating, so give me a second. Sorry for this very scary shot. So done with my lunch and also finished another work call. And थोड़ी मन की बात करनी थी. मन की बात तुमसे. Something that I told you over lunch, that something that has been nagging me for the past few months is मेरे schedule की वाट लग गई है. You know, बहुत ही proudly मैंने एक वीडियो किया था about my morning routine 2-3 months ago, and वो रूटीन बनाने में मुझे अच्छे खासे 6-7 महीने लग गए थे. You know, where I had to push myself to get out of bed early in the morning between 6 to 7, meditate, try to work out. I wasn't very regular with workouts, but at least like, you know, waking up early, meditating and all of that. But वो सब बिल्कुल, मतलब वो सब, it all went out of the window. I'll tell you since when. Since we started house hunting, what happened is life got very hectic with house hunting, क्योंकि हम लोग रात को लेट वेट आते थे. तो उस महीने I stopped doing yoga, thinking I'll just resume once I find the house. But little did I know कि उसके बाद things were going to just like keep getting more and more hectic. And पिछले 2 महीने में especially तो पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है, because this whole new project has started. Then I went to Nagpur, remember? Last month. उसके बाद it was my birthday. उसके बाद there was Diwali. उसके बाद I went to Mangalore for 4 days. उसके बाद there was Dad's birthday. So it's like so many things have been happening with a lot of deadlines जिन पे मैं काम कर रही हूँ. So there is no time for anything, यार. No time. बहुत late मेरे दिन ख़त्म हो रहे हैं because there's too many things to do in a day and I feel like 24 hours are not enough. ऐसा मुझे लग रहा है पिछले कुछ दिनों से. So सब बंद हो गया है. And I don't like the fact that I've stopped meditating, because that was one thing that I was really enjoying. Like I was really liking that 1 घंटे का, you know, that 1 hour in the morning to myself, you know, just for my mind and for my mental health. And so I really want to resume, but I don't know how. And yeah, I wanted to come here and tell you guys about this schedule का screw up, क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि बहुत बार हम लोग ना हमारे social media पे या हमारे videos में we are only sharing the best parts and we are only telling people when we have everything put together, but we are not telling the parts where things are falling apart, which is what is more real, right? So ठीक है, at one point I did have an amazing schedule which went on for 7-8 months, but now since the last 2-3 months I'm struggling to keep it in place, and I feel this is going to happen. This is real. Nobody can have it like properly, perfectly, like put together forever. So I wanted to come and tell you all hota hai ye, but now I'm going to put my energies in bouncing back. Like right now, if I try to get back to that schedule, it's going to be impossible and I'm going to end up crying. It's not possible. With the amount of work that I have to do right now, I can't be waking up that early and doing everything that I was doing then. So I'm going to give myself that little choot, you know, कि ठीक है ये महीना ले ले, or maybe take till like Jan, till you know your work is a little more sorted, and then figure it out. So I think that understanding I've had. And इसका एक और aspect है वो work from home वाला aspect, उस पर I really wanted to touch upon. A lot of people think that working for yourself and working from home must be so cool. You don't have a boss. Oh my god. Building your own brand, you know, it seems like super fun. बाहर से कि क्या ही करती होगी, एक वीडियो एडिट करती होगी, शूट करके डाल देती होगी. It's a lot of work. Okay, it is a lot of work. It is nothing like it seems from outside. So ये वाली जो feelings आती है कि यार कितना कुछ है, I need help, I need more hours in the day. All these are so real when you are working for yourself. When you are like a solopreneur, which I think I am. सारा pour out कर दिया मैंने तुमको यहाँ पर मेरा क्या क्या चल रहा था दिल दिमाग में. So please अगले कुछ महीने अगर मेरे videos थोड़े से you know infrequent है, please bear with me. I am trying to still keep it all together while doing a lot of things. So I know you guys understand. Now it's almost 4, so I'm going to go because वहाँ पर वो table को मुझे set करना है. वो जो remember I have a recording in the evening 5 to 7 जो मैंने अपने to do's में लिखा. So उसके लिए मुझे बाहर जाना है, एक print out लाना है. I have to set up that table and then I have to be very happy and chirpy for the recording. The people that I was going to record that episode with for that project, one of them has backed out last minute. Yes, the challenges they do not end. So अभी मैं figure out कर रही हूँ कि इसको फिर से कब record कर सकती हूँ, because this is a lot like a chat show which is dependent on other people, and trying to get people together in today's day and age with everybody's busy lives is not easy, guys. This is for mom. This chakli is so good. आई एम थिंकिंग मेरा कुछ एडिट बाकी है एक व्लॉग का. बेसिकली आज जो व्लॉग अपलोड हुआ था उसका पार्ट 2 इज स्टिल नॉट डन. आई मीन इट्स ऑलमोस्ट डन, बट देयर आर सम माइनर चेंजेस आई नीड टू डू. सो 1-2 घंटे का काम है. तो मेरा मन है कि अभी आज टाइम है तो इसको निपटा डालते हैं, सो दैट यू नो दिस इज रेडी टू स्केड्यूल. एंड ऑन डेज लाइक दीज ना आई नीड फूड दैट विल बूस्ट माई मूड. सो शेजवान नूडल्स जो है वो ऑर्डर हो चुके हैं. तो जब वो आएंगे तब खाएंगे. तब तक लेट्स एडिट. यार पता नहीं क्यों मैं भूल गई कि मैंने इस बार पहली बार हाक्का नूडल्स ऑर्डर किए, बिकॉज आई वॉजंट फाइंडिंग सेजवान नूडल्स इन देयर मेन्यू, विच इज़ वियर्ड. I always order Szechuan noodles from Zoodles, and I was expecting the Hakka to be a little more, I don't know, you know, color, like thoda masaledar, but clearly it's not. That Szechuan sauce or whatever that is, chutney, is so good. I don't know how did I forget to do the sign off bit, but मेरा सारा काम हो गया. बाहर थोड़ा सा चिली कर रही थी और मुझे सडनली याद आया अरे साइन ऑफ तो किया ही नहीं. सो आई हैव जस्ट फिनिश एडिटिंग माई वीडियो एंड इवन अपलोडिंग. एक्चुअली स्केड्यूल कर दिया मैंने वीडियो यूट्यूब पे मंडे के लिए. आधे घंटे पहले मेरा काम खत्म हुआ है. मैंने थंबनेल भी बना के वो भी डाल दिया. सो उस वीडियो का पूरा काम हो चुका है, विच इज़ ग्रेट. एंड राइट नाउ इट्स 1:15. सो आई वॉज वर्किंग टिल हाफ एन आवर अगो. सो दिस इज वॉट हैपन्स, यू नो. So yeah, 1:15. अभी सोते सोते सब करते करते 2 बज ही जाएंगे. So yeah, I think it's high time I pass out. But this was the vlog today, guys. Work day in my life / busy day in my life. काफ़ी सारी बातें करनी थी तुमसे आके. I hope you guys had fun watching this. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button. नए हो इस चैनल पे, you like what you saw, consider hitting the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it. And yeah, on that note, I'm gonna go and see you guys real soon. Bye.